patron, take them away.
Okay, guys. It's been a bit of an odd week this week for me. I've been incredibly busy, and I've had loads of messages and emails saying, "Oh, are you not helping us anymore? Have you forgot us?" All this, and just basically pushing and pushing and pushing. They want the course out straight away. The course is going to take about a month. There's 30 modules. I've done the first 5. I'll work on another 5 to 8 next week and so forth, and I'll build it up. But Rome weren't built in a day, guys. It takes hours just to do a 10-minute video, believe it or not, because I've got to make it up, record it, make certain I haven't screwed it up, all that sort of stuff. So it's all there. It's why I'm doing the morning call. The morning call is 30 minutes prep talk. If it's getting used as one-to-ones and all of that, it's not what it's there for. Okay, it's there for shared learning. All right, and we'll try and make it better as time goes on. So with that said, I still feel guilty and I have to help you. So that's what we're going to do. So let me fire this on. We'll just clean everything, all my scribbles off. And let's have a look at what's gone on. Now today, obviously we had the news. Now we are seeing a reaction to that. It is down. What we like up one. Well, up one, we are starting to come down. Okay, we can see that. All right, and the reaction here. So there's been a rally and now it's selling out. But the reaction isn't quite as strong as I thought it would be. So let's see what the 15 has to say. Well, that is something to work on. It's out the ordinary. It's a single boost candle going up. So let's have a little look at that. And then we've got the 5 minute. I'm going to get rid of the MACD. I don't really need it. And we can see here, high, 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 descending down there. So we're going to bang in a quick order. Now we're going to put a big order into it because I don't want to go too far, of a tenner a pop. Right, so it's tenner. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to drop it down here somewhere. I'm just going to kind of monitor it. Right. Let me tell you my theory behind this. This is kind of news trading of sorts, because I've looked at what's been going on this afternoon, and I don't think it's very good for the pound. Or in fact, I think it's pretty bad. But at the same time, from a technical point of view, the market hasn't reacted as badly as you think it has. And the market was already pushing down today. Okay, you can see that. Okay, if I just come back to 15 minutes so I can see it. You can see it's been on a kind of a trajectory down all day. So there's 8 o'clock, and it's just had rallies. They've never made any highs, so it is steadily pushing down. Okay, simple stuff here. All right. So if I come back out to up here, this is where my decision making is made. So if I get a horizontal line there, you can see it's pushed up and its 50 is held, keeping the pressure to the downside. Simple stuff so far. Move this up to the 4 hour, and the overall push is down. So everything's telling me this is going down. Now, if I start doing technical fibs and I start looking at this, well, you can either say it started there, or you could say it started with this candle here, you know, because it came down, but that's the accelerant. That's where I'm going to be working on. So I can build that up. Where's my 50%? Well, my 50% is there. My 38% is there. Okay. put these in jet black just so I can show you. Cool. Right, now this is the 4 hour, and we're coming off this. So it's been down to 50, it's come up, it's come back round the 23, and because it's negative and this is engulfing this price, these levels are still in play. Right, let me take this down to the hour. Get that out the way. Don't need that either. Now what am I looking at? Well, now I'm looking at, you've got a big move here. All right. Now you could say, right, well, there's a move starts here, pushes up, came down, and that would give you a new move. But that's only really 2 hours. And yes, you could say that is an overextended candle, and you can use that for a quick scalp if you like. However, the move that is in play started down here and ended up there. Okay. So if I'm looking at this from this point of view, take a fib, pull that up to the top. These are the areas that we are interested in. So this is a fib within a fib. So we're looking at here, and we are looking at there. Okay, with a max to this point here. Okay, so if you look at the way that this is structured up, there's the move. It's starting to find all of these grounds. Okay, and I'm expecting that to push down into this 38 and then possibly down to near the 50. Easy stuff, guys. Get rid of that fib. I've now got a chart that is well mapped out just using Fibonacci. I also have on a 15-minute a strong impulse drive here. This one. So again, get my fib, pull that onto there. The 50 lines up with this 38. Okay, so that's the game plan. That's the level here, and then there is the end of the candle close, the opening of the new one. Time to go. Simple technical analysis, working down with a, well, it's Friday night. I don't want to go too bad, so drop that onto there. That's your trade. Done real time, and hopefully it'll give you an insight into how to basically look at it from a simplistic point of view without stressing too much. Get a single idea and then build a framework around that idea. And then from there, you can trade it. Very, very simple. I'll let it run out, and well, that's it really. I'll let it run out. So catch you soon, guys. Okay, guys, stopped out. It's done pretty much what I thought it would. We should be clean for the day. We are now. And there you go. 123 quid for basically just reading a chart. It's now currently just turned 5 o'clock. So about an hour. Can live with that. You live with 120 quid for an hour?
Yes, I did.
Well done. You're not getting it. If she asks me nicely, I might. Do you want to go to a hotel next week?
Can if you want.
All right. I might have a day off next week, guys. Maybe Sunday and have Monday off. I haven't decided yet. But anyway, there you go. Real time. Try to keep it as close as you could. The premise of the trade was as I described, and then the management of the trade was get it down onto the first key level, take a lump of money off, pull it to break even so I can't lose, and then just trail the stop down. That's simple. And all I would need to do now is just reset and look for a new trade. But it is Friday night, so that's me done for the week. Pick it up again when I start next week. Simple stuff, guys. So as always, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.